Hey there, history buffs! Today, let's dive deep into the dense green heart of South America, the Amazon rainforest. It's not just a haven for biodiversity. The Amazon boasts an incredibly rich history, filled with ancient civilizations, mysteries, and myths. Long before European explorers set foot in the New World, the Amazon was already home to millions. Indigenous communities thrived here for thousands of years. They carved out complex societies, built impressive earthworks, and developed sophisticated agricultural systems. These early Amazonians were masters of their environment, crafting everything from pottery to elaborate ceremonial centers. One of the most intriguing discoveries in recent years is that of the geoglyphs. Picture this, massive geometric shapes etched into the earth, visible only from above. These geoglyphs suggest that the Amazon was far from a virgin paradise. Instead, it was a landscape heavily modified by human hands. Now, let's talk about the legendary city of El Dorado. Many European explorers were lured into the Amazon by tales of a city made of gold. From Francisco de Orellana to Percy Fawcett, numerous expeditions ventured into the dense jungle, driven by the hope of unimaginable wealth. While El Dorado remains a myth, these journeys opened up the Amazon to the outside world, forever altering its history. But the Amazon's history isn't just about what was built or discovered. It's also about resilience and resistance. Indigenous tribes have fiercely protected their lands against colonizers, rubber barons, and modern-day developers. Their stories of struggle and survival are integral to understanding the Amazon's past and present. In recent decades, archaeologists have uncovered even more secrets hidden beneath the canopy. Using satellite imagery and LiDAR technology, researchers have discovered vast networks of ancient settlements, roads, and canals. It's a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the people who once called the Amazon home. So next time you think about the Amazon, remember it's not just a rainforest. It's a living testament to human history, filled with stories waiting to be told. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Amazon's untold history, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating tales from the past. See you next time.